Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to talk about how to track your spending habits with Cleo. Tracking your spending habits helps you to understand what triggers overspending and which categories eat into your budget the most. It's a pretty important thing, and we're going to show you how to view your spending insights right now. So first you got to do is to open the Cleo app and go to the spending tab. Now here you're gonna see a spending breakdown by category. You have the total amount spent this week or month. You have a pie chart or bar graph, depending of course on your app version, and a percentage of your spending per category. You can tap any category to view individual transactions, and using the AI chatbot for analysis, just type how much do I spend on food, or track my spendings this month, or you could type where do I spend the most money. Now, Cleo will give you a summary of your habits, including trends like whether you're spending more than last month, or if you're consistently overspending in one area, which are also which weeks were high spend weeks. So this is pretty useful to get an overview and good insight on exactly what you're spending on, and ways that you can cut back and save yourself a lot of money by adjusting your spending habits. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.